All right, it's 12:20 and it's not raining for once. Amazing. So it's a Friday night. We decided to come out and look at, they got the counters in. Yippee. Awesome. So we got quartz counters. Pretty much Lisa's favorite color is white, so there's more white in them. There's just a hint of gray. I don't know if it's coming out in the video or not, but there's just a hint of gray. She's got her dishwasher has been installed. So it's a two-door dishwasher, as you can see, upper and lower. So you can wash either one or the other. If you got a small load, you use the small lower part, or you can just, if you've got big loads, you do them both together. So pretty cool little dishwasher that she got. Sinks are in, one big rectangular sink, nice nozzle on there, nice little bench here, shelf in the kitchen. One of the things we liked about Lexar, you can see that the backsplash is all one piece instead of a bunch of little pieces with a whole bunch of molding everywhere. That's really hard to maintain. That molding shrinks all the time. So much better way to do your backsplashes is that way. So really nice. Like it, like it, like it. This is in the powder room, or Granger's room. Sinks in, counters there. And then into the second bedroom, second bath, which will be mine. They've got the counter in here. Nice, we like it. And of course, we had them put up on top also, instead of it being painted. Again, so much easier to take care of and clean, lasts longer that way. So back into the family room, kitchen area. Into the main bedroom and the main bath, which is Lisa's. Dual sink here. Really nice. Again, counters. We like that light white with just a hint of gray in it and stuff. Again, it's quartz. Again, like the backsplash, the way it is. The utility room here, the laundry room, it's got its in. We always found out a long time ago, really like to have a sink in the laundry room and a utility room going into the garage. It's always a really nice addition to have. We came out into the garage and we noticed they put the hot water heater in. Really nice pedestal, strapped in two different places. This is a commercial grade hot water heater. This isn't just some little home water heater you would get. They put in a heavy duty water heater that's going to last a long time. Very well insulated, because it looks like it's bigger but it's only a 50-gallon water heater. So, all digital displays, digital panel to control how hot you want it, how your heat pump, vacation. Like if you want to set it up for times and stuff, you'll be able to set it up when to go on, when to go off. Really high-end hot water heater. Was really impressed that this is what they put into their homes. Just awesome quality. Again, quality from Lexar. Just one of the things we really looked at with them, just quality. So again, we're thrilled to death with the way everything looks, the way it's going. I can't say enough about them. I think the range hood goes up next week is when that goes up. So we weren't expecting all the counters to be done. I'm surprised they got them done, and we weren't expecting the dishwasher to be in yet either. So all awesome stuff.